The restoration of the altar. I put so much energy and effort into making my external world my altar. I pour my intention and invest my love, my time, my life force, trying to turn people, places, and things and events into gold, expecting them to be my golden chalice. But the golden altar is already perfectly built and waiting inside of me to connect with. The chalice of the atonement belongs at the center of the inner altar, where it undoes the separation and restores the wholeness of the mind. So my heart can lean entirely on the loving wisdom and power of God within me. All I have to do is slow down, go within, and listen, and connect with the golden chalice, the loving truth, so I can see with the spiritual eye that gives me perfect vision, and my altar is restored.